Some, so I've just been told some fantastic news actually, but that I'm going to be getting a rebate on my stamp duty that I paid on entry, actually almost 4 years ago now, when I bought a property that was completely derelict. Actually, we've got evidence that it was in such poor state that the bridging company that sent their valuer out said it was uninhabitable. That was one of the great evidence that we were able to use to claim back a large proportion of our stamp duty that we paid on entry, because as part of the HMRC rules, there are some properties that shouldn't have paid the full whack of the stamp duty, especially as investors, which, as we all know, we pay the surcharge of 3%. So I've just been told now about 5 minutes ago, or 10 minutes ago, I should say, that we have just been awarded a rebate of £6,815.80. Out of that, the company that I work with are going to deduct a fee for themselves of £2,404.80, which means that I'm going to get the balance of around £4,000 odd, £4,200 from what I can work out, which is, I mean, it's unbelievable, bearing in mind that I'd already paid that stamp almost 4 years ago. I'd forgotten about it, and I thought, give these guys a go again and see whether we can get some money out on that project. And as it's turned out magically well. So £4,200 that I was not expected is going to drop into my account today. So if you're interested about finding out a bit more, DM me and I'll be able to hopefully help you. I'm going to start working with these companies as well to promote some of their services as well. So good news is at least we know that we can get this money back from the HMRC and on our stamp duty that we shouldn't have paid because of these poor quality properties that we keep buying. And I suggest if you operate in that same space, get in touch, DM me and ask me any questions you've got.